Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add date of birth on Frollo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Frollo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna find options like Dashboard, Portfolio, Cash Flow on the bottom. Now if you go to top left corner, you're gonna find your user icon, tap on it. There you're gonna find categories like name, email, postcode, and year of birth. Tap on add year of birth from the screen. Go ahead, type in your year, then tap on the arrow button. Once you do that, you can see you've successfully added your date of birth. And guys, that's it. That's how you add date of birth on Frollo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.